Tumurike ripoti ige na ni ati maafitha a borithi unyitaniri na honge cia ugitiri kuma Kiambaa kaunti-ini ya Kiambu riu ni matabanetie mugururio wa andu aria makoretwo magithondeka o ndumwe na kwendia njohi cia Ibango na iria itari nginyaniru ikiro. Komanda wa Kiambu Njohi augite makoretwo manyitite andu 20 akorwo mamaikitie ngano na wakihani ati andu ayo othe ni akuma nja wa bururi wa Kenya. Mwandiki witu Jackson Moneki ena ripoti na njira ndaya.
Orire munini wa president Rigathi wa Gachagua thiete na mbere na kuria wathani wa matura undumwe na maafitha a borithi guthie na mbere na gutabania filgisheni ya kuhukia wendia na uthondeki wa dawa cia kulevya undumwe na njohi cia Ibango itakinyanĩire ikiro na makiria gicigo kia Mount Kenya na kiria gikoretwo gigitongoria hari kuongerereka gwa ciiko ici. Umuthi maafitha a borithi matongoretio ni komanda wa borithi kaunti-ini ya Kiambu Njohi marokire gutabania mugururio mwena wa Rwaka gicigo mbunge gia Kiambaa Kiambu kuria mahithukiire ihuba cia bangi cia muigana wa ciringi 100,000 njohi cia Ibango na iria itakinyanĩire ikiro gatagati ka dawa ingi cia kulevya cia muigana wa ciringi 1.6
I'd like to confirm that today we able to recover quite a number of drugs, that is 300 rolls of bangi worth 150,000, 400 stems worth 675,000, another 20 kilogram of bangi worth 900,000, another 300 grams worth 22,500 shillings. In total 1,645,900 Kenya shillings. This is inclusive of the operation which has been going on since last week.
Oho augite aria maikitio ngono ni makiria ma andu 30 gatagati kao andu 20 na aria maumite mabũrũri-inĩ matiganite kuria matanyitwo gukinya igoti-ini na kuria amahete mukana wa gukorwo magitabania thogora iria itetikĩrĩtio ni thirikari na kungiaga u macoke mabũrũri-inĩ mao.
That is 20 areas and we have already taken them to court. They are from various nationalities. Also with them we got some with a certain kind of drugs, and also some of them have been involved in these illicit drinks. I would like first of all to give them a warning that if they are here in this country, they have to do the legal business, and any kind of illegal business let them not involve themselves in.
Riu ni uritie muingi gwitikira gukunyagira maafitha a borithi na niguo andu taya na aria maratabania ciiko ta ici utacukirio makinya ma kiwatho kwiranira thirikari ni gutigirira thogora ta ici ni ciahuka kaimana guothe kaunti-ini ya Kiambu.
Is to tell members of public to frontier information to us. We are very ready to act, and I've said we have no sacred cows, and we are not going to spare anybody who is selling drugs, counterfeit beer, or any type of illicit drinks to members of public. So mine is to say that we are not going to relent until we make sure that this place is clean and we do a thorough clean up on this illicit drink.
Handu-ini ha ceceni ya Wega TV kuma Rwaka gicigo mbunge gia Kiambaa kaunti-ini ya Kiambu, njĩtagwo Jackson Moneki.